Getting started with Rollr Mini is really easy and you can do it yourself in just 5 minutes. Let's see how. Step 1. Find the OBD port in your car and plug in the Rollr Mini. In most cars, OBD port is located under the steering wheel. If you are unable to locate the OBD port in your car, contact our customer support and they will guide you. Once you have plugged in the Rollr Mini, make sure that the green LED is on by plugging in the device properly. Step 2 is to download the Rollr app from Play Store or the App Store. Sign in to the app using your mobile number. Now go to Add section of the app and select Rollr Mini option. Make sure that you have the serial number and activation code ready for the next step. Serial number can be found on the packaging and activation code is sent to you by SMS or available on the packaging. Now enter the 16-digit serial number of the Rollr Mini followed by a name for your device and press activate. As the last step, add few more details for your vehicle and you're all set. View your driving score, security alerts, trip statistics or your vehicle's health and also track your car's location in real time. All of this at your fingertips. Now with Rollr Mini.